The product is named Idakekiy. This is Idakekiy. It is a keychain. You got keys all over the place, hanging up just like so. You want to have a keychain? What you get inside the box? This one came in black, and they make many different colors and nicely packaged and protected. It is black with 2 rings, not just one, so you could put 2 sets of keys on with a leather strap. It's got a hook area that opens up. Put on your belt clip, a purse, anywhere that there is a hook, loop, fastener. It's just not a keychain. It is a bottle opener. So if you got a bottle that you need to open, that is this particular area. You got your key fob and you want to attach it to your belt. Put all your keys on. You want to release it? Simple as that. All these little designs. Screw off to take off the unit. 2 keys, separate. So if you're looking to go hiking, camping, anywhere that you need to have a keychain, measures about 4 inches, leather, metal, aluminum alloy with a strong clip, bottle opener, and some little hook holes that you can put your keychain onto. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.